Mm-hmm. I want to see this big one over here. There he is. I guess it's not a spike, is it? A couple of yearlings. Can't be very old. That big one's got to be a buck, though. The second one is going to pass this tree right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's got to be a buck, and it's huge. That is cool. That one right there. Yeah, that's a buck. See a chart at the other one? See, I can't tell if those are blacktails or muleys. They look like blacktails.
They have black tails.
Well, it doesn't matter. Oh, coming right up. Oh, that's cool. Coming to investigate. That one's a buck. This one right in front of us. He's got nubs. This small one right here,
Oh, yeah?
he's got nubs. See it?
No.
Look right in front of his ears.
Oh, yeah.
That's a buck. So is the one right next to him. The one to the left's a buck as well.
I know.
That big one's the mother. That's a doe.
Don't come into the road.
Your eyes are only like 5 yards away from us. That is cool. Guy, no. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're not going to flag, though. They're just moseying on out.